how to get mode for Lensa. I've got the Lensa Plus mode APK. This is the premium version of Lensa for free. So how to get Lensa mode? There is nothing easier. Follow my tutorial and you will get Lensa Plus mode APK for the Lensa app with premium unlocked in a few minutes. So right now I will open the app. I will show you how this works. So let's open the app. As you can see, I've got the membership and annual plan costs me $0, 100% off, as you can see right here. So this is the Lensa Plus modded version. As you can see right here, Lensa Plus mode APK premium unlocked for free. So this is it. Annual plan 100% off. So right now I will close the Lensa Plus. I will uninstall it and I will show you how you can download it for your device. So let's start with opening the browser and go to this site, bluedeals.app. Go there and find Lensa mode premium, Lensa premium mode APK. Click on here and select your platform, Android or iOS. I've got an iOS device right here, so I click iOS. But if you have an Android device, don't worry, click on Android and the Lensa mode will be downloading for you. So let's wait a couple of seconds. So yeah, the download is almost over for me and I will get the premium unlocked for Lensa. So it's done, so let's check. Let's close the browser and as you can see, I've got the Lensa Plus again on my device, on my iPhone. So this is the easiest way to get Lensa mode APK for premium unlocked. So, and it's all for free. So I hope you like my video, my short video tutorial. Follow it to get Lensa premium unlocked, and have a nice day.